Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and today we're looking at a network problem, a flow problem in fact. And the language of this maybe takes a little bit of explaining. The source is our starting point, the sink is our end point, and this presumes a flow of some sort from here to here. And we have the various capacities of each of the edges or pipes. Just make sure that those are all nice and clear to you. And you will notice that one of these edges is coloured in red, and it has arrows on it, whereas most of these did not, but I'll put those on now. And I'm going to spoil the surprise and tell you that the answer is 14. Because the real work in this is the explanation. So, what does a cut do? Well, it means that if we regard this as a pipe, this pipe is no longer operational. It's been cut. It's been stopped. The flow has been stopped. And one of the exercises that you go looking one of the exercises that you do when you're working with these is you go looking for the easiest way in which to cut the flow from, say, A to B, source to sink. Now, I'm not sure that this is the most economical way. It may well be. That wasn't the question. The question was, what is the maximum value of this cut, and why is it what it is? Because a number of my students have asked me about this, and the red coloured edge is the important thing. Now, some people would say it doesn't count, and it doesn't. That's the reason it's red. So 6 and 5 is 11, and 3 is 14. I'm going to put the answer down here and circle it. It doesn't count. It's not necessarily because it's pointing in the wrong direction. That's not the reason. It's possible that it could be counted, but the reason it's not counted is down here. The flow is stopped here and stopped here. Nothing goes beyond these 2 points. Now, the question is, what happens when the flow is stopped here, as it is? Well, that means that nothing reaches this, and therefore nothing flows through this. So, if you cut here, you don't count this. It's as simple as that, because the flow has been stopped right there. And that is why the answer to this question, which is an exam question from some years ago, a student actually sent this to me, and I saw up the top that it was an exam question, and I looked at the statistics for correct answers, and it was a little bit surprising. So I thought it was worth not just answering her question and explaining it to her, but making a video. So the reason that 3 doesn't count here is because the flow was blocked here and nothing gets through to there. The reason that this counts is because the flow can pass through here. Simple as that. Okay, I hope that has made some sense and cleared up some questions. If it has, or if you found this interesting, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.